Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. In this video we are gonna change our mesh's pivot point. It's really helpful to speed up level design, So I have a chamfer cube in default project. First I'm gonna browse asset and this asset located this folder. Before changing pivot, I'm gonna duplicate this and I'm gonna call chamfer cube H. So this centered pivot, and our new mesh is gonna be pivot H pivot, So I just saved the original one and let's change the pivot. So you can press Shift and 5, or you can change the mode from here and open the modeling mode. In there you can see X-form. It may called transform, probably older versions. Open the X-form and as you can see there's edit pivot. So we can locate pivot where we want. It may corner or like that. I'm gonna leave it like that, and when when we accept this pivot, it's our new pivot point for this chamfer cube H. Okay, so as you can see it's pivoted. Let's delete and add from here. As you can see it's not changed the in the scene, but it changed on the project. Okay, so this is why I duplicate this. Also let's check this. As you can see it's still centered, the original one, and it's like that. And we can duplicate and make a wall like this. I hope you like it. I hope it is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next videos.